I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Now, I know I usually release my videos on Monday, but I needed to make something, and this is too good not to share with everybody. Y'all, it's the 1st of February, and right now I feel like the Lizard King. My skin is so dry that I can hardly stand it. Today we're going to make the world's greatest lotion. It's actually like a whipped body butter, and y'all gonna love this. This is a recipe that was given to me by a friend at work years ago, and over time I've tweaked it to make it suit my needs a little bit better. You can tweak it to make it the way that you want it as well. Hey guys, since I normally do a cooking show, I just want to reiterate one more time, even though I call this body butter, this is not something that you can eat. This is lotion. This is for your skin. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. We're going to start out today with our KitchenAid mixer. You can use a hand mixer if that's what you have. And we get to use a big old bowl. Now we're going to start out with a bottle of lotion. Y'all, when this original recipe was given to me, it used baby lotion. I've since changed that up to use an unscented lotion. This is an ultra healing Corelle. You can use any kind of lotion you like. If there's something that you like that's a good quality lotion, that has a good smell or whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Any kind of regular lotion. Use anywhere between half a bottle and 3/4 of the bottle of lotion. Now, this next ingredient is something that you can purchase off Amazon. You can pick it up even at the Dollar General store. It's an inexpensive item, but it is a jar of vitamin E cream. This particular one is Fruit of the Earth. We're going to use the whole jar of this. Now y'all be sure to save the jar because once we get our lotion made up, we're going to need it for some storage. For the most part, this item is unscented. Next comes our key ingredient. We're going to use a 1/4 cup petroleum jelly. Definitely not the easiest substance in the world to work with. In fact, it's kind of a mess, but it's well worth it. Next, I'm going to add just a few drops of this argan oil. I believe that's how you say it. If it's not, forgive me. I use this around my cuticles. But this is a great body oil, and it's safe to use on your skin. So I'm going to put in just a few drops of that. Just a dropper full. Now you have the base recipe down. Now comes the options. Y'all know I love all things vanilla, so I'm going to put just a few drops of my vanilla extract in here just to get a nice vanilla scent. And that's why I like to use unscented lotion, because you can make this whatever you want. You just need to make sure that anything you put in this for a scent is safe to use on skin, and also make sure you're not allergic to it. All right, now we're going to put this mixing bowl on, lock it in, and we're going to mix this up just until everything is completely blended. This is what we've got. Y'all, this feels absolutely wonderful on my poor old tired February hands. Now that we've got it done, we can use our jar that the vitamin E cream came in You can use any kind of jar, a butter dish, whatever you have, it doesn't matter. But we're going to fill this up. And then we'll have a nice container of our body butter. You use such a little dab of this that this amount that we're making right now will last for quite a long time. Y'all, I hope this was helpful for you. This is a tried and true recipe, and it's inexpensive to make, it's easy to make, and it feels like silk going on your old dry winter skin. You know, I kind of like doing these midweek videos. Who knows? Maybe we'll keep on doing them. If you didn't check out this past Monday's video about lemon pepper wings, get on there and check it out. And next Monday, I'm going to give you all a special hint because nobody else knows this. Next Monday, we're going to be doing the best sausage queso dip ever. This will be an appetizer that you can serve during the football game or really any kind of party that you have. I hope you'll check it out. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.